Meantime, at least 10 California counties are now actively enforcing the governor's mid-June order to wear face masks in public. Kern County is not one of those counties, and the number of local COVID-19 cases continues to rise. 17's Robert Price has more.
It was nearly a month ago that Governor Gavin Newsom issued a mandate requiring that all Californians wear a mask in most public settings. If you've been inside a Kern County store recently, you know how that's going.
Kern County Public Health largely has taken a hands-off approach to enforcement, opting instead for an educate and encourage approach. Public Health Director Matt Constantine says that's because he views this as a state enforcement issue.
Well, first off, it's important to recognize the governor did this, right? The governor put out not only his order mandating masks with the state health officer, but also then put out some strong guidance documents. So this is required now. There's been some interest on how best to educate and bring awareness to the importance, and I'm assuming the state will play a role in that, but that has been asked of our community by the state now.
Governor Newsom has formed a multi-agency strike team to go after violators, and individual agencies are also active in enforcement. For now, several state agencies are playing the heavies, sending teams of enforcement officers into counties throughout the state. Among them are Alcohol Beverage Control, which visited 81 Kern County bars and restaurants over the long 4th of July weekend and issued 2 citations. ABC did not identify those bars or give details on their fines. Another agency conducting checks is the State Occupational Safety Administration, Cal OSHA, which supervises the health and welfare of workers. In this case, whether employers are taking proper precautions against COVID-19. A Cal OSHA spokeswoman said the agency made an even 100 compliance visits in Kern County over the same weekend. With COVID-19 numbers increasing throughout the state, alarmingly so in many cities, what might Kern County Public Health be asked to do? Constantine awaits word.
I emailed and asked if we could talk more specifically about, how do you set your priorities and where are you going to focus on, and is there some ability for the county or the community to provide input? So we're hopeful to have some discussion.
So don't be looking for the Sheriff's Mask Patrol to be knocking on the door of your business anytime soon. But people from state agencies, that's another matter. In Bakersfield, Robert Price, 17 News.
That takes us to tonight's 17 interactive feedback poll. We've been asking, should local businesses enforce the wearing of masks among their patrons? Here's how the votes break down so far. 74% of you agree with that. 26% of you do not. Here is one of the comments we received tonight. Dana Lauk says, yes, I have to wear one at work. The customers have to for everyone's safety. And Cindy Larson says, no, not if the customer doesn't want to wear it. I think it should be a personal choice to wear one and not up to the government. Besides, they never mandate anything during the flu season, so why now? Still time for you to weigh in. You can call or text us at 888-4617. Press 1 if you think local businesses should enforce the wearing of masks among their patrons, and 2 if not. We'll take one last look at the votes at the end of this newscast.